Hey everyone, this is Carl. This is my first video on my Beach Buggy build. About a year and a half ago I came up with an idea of taking a Volkswagen Beetle, chopping it up and using it to cruise up and down Gulf Boulevard down here in Indian Rocks Beach. It first started, I was going to take a golf cart and kind of make it kind of cool, but then I was thinking it'd be kind of difficult to take it on all different roads around here. So I figured I'd buy a cheap Volkswagen convertible and see what I could come up with. This is my little Christine, I name her, because she's had some pretty kind of crazy electrical gremlins floating around. It turned out to be just bad battery grounds, which was amazing that it created so many crazy, quirky electrical things, from shifting weird to the radio turning off and on spontaneously, which is why I named her Christine. Anyway, picked her up for $1,500 down in Bradenton, and now that I've got those quirks taken care of, I can start tearing things apart without figuring out, was it me that caused the problems, or was it the stuff that had existed previously. So anyway, hopefully you'll come on this journey with me. I've got to learn body work. I've got to learn a lot about welding. I've never really welded sheet metal before. I've never really welded anything before. I bought myself a cheap Harbor Freight welder. We're going to be pulling off the doors. We're going to be pulling off the roof. I know that these door cards on these cars have some value to them, so I'm going to be offering the extra parts for sale, the door regulators and the windows, the glass and all that good stuff. The roof is about a year old. The guy that I bought the car from paid $1,900 for a new roof and sold the car to me for $1,500, so who knows. But anyway, hopefully you'll join me on the journey. Hopefully there'll be some interesting content. I know this is probably going to suck from the beginning because I've never even done YouTube. I've never done editing. So hopefully you'll bear with me. Bottom line is, I'm hoping to have some interesting content, because there's some things that I've been researching on these cars. Simple videos that don't exist. I have not found a good video for removing the door. I found some literature on it, but nothing that really shows step by step on how to actually remove the door. And some other kind of things that just don't exist because people don't usually do what I'm doing to this bug. So hopefully it'll be interesting. So anyway, this is my little Beetle. Bought it down in Bradenton a couple weeks ago for $1,500. I'll do a walk around. It's unbelievable the shape that it's in. It's not in bad shape at all. I'll give you a little tour of the condition it's in right now and what I'm going to remove and tear off, and hopefully you'll come with me along the journey and the trials and tribulations of getting this thing into the Beach Buggy. So I'll do start with a quick walk around tour. I mean, it's just a basic 2003 Volkswagen Beetle convertible. Really surprisingly good shape for what I paid for it. It's a cute little car. I've been driving it around for a couple days now, and people are like, oh my god, you're going to chop this thing up? You should keep it the way it is. Interior is a little crunchy, but not torn up. It's just a little dirty crunchy. Alright, so don't be judging, because this car is pretty filthy, but this is not my filth. I will create my own filth, don't you worry. But some of the quirks, obviously the window regulators work, but here's this special advanced feature where I have to get in and out of the car using the door handle, but we're going to be getting rid of them soon. I guess I should show the actuation of the actual window regulator, because I'm going to be trying to sell this stuff. Except for the incessant dinging, you can see that they go up and down smooth as silk. Same thing with the rear ones. These things are detached from down here, but even the liners good. That's not part of what they replaced. Jesus. Dang. Here's the passenger side actuator, up and down like butter. And there's the rear one. So the actuators, the guts, the wiring, everything is going to be available soon. And then, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Whoopsie. Okay, let's see. Sorry, guys. There we go. Butter. Yeah. My neighbor's tearing apart something in his garage. Thank you for the audio there, Graham. All the guts and hydraulics and all that stuff is going to be coming out. Pretty cool for a little 2003 Beetle. Like that. Forgot about this. Don't judge. Still in the box. Haven't opened it yet. I guess we'll figure it out together. And here's a rendition of my project that I had in mind. So that's it, guys. That's the first episode of Beach Buggy Build. Hopefully there's a little bit of interesting, if not comic relief content in this first episode. Got to do a lot of learning. Got to learn how to do body work. Got to learn how to weld. Got to, just all kinds of fun stuff. Stuff that I guess typically people are not doing out there. So hopefully I'll bring a little bit of interesting content to it. I don't even know how to edit GoPro footage. My neighbor's still making a racket next door. Anyway, but at the end of the day, I just want to bring some good content. So I hear other people saying it, so I might as well say it too. Like, share, subscribe. You might be subscriber number 1. Who knows? Who knows if the channel will go anywhere? But there was a couple of things that I thought were kind of unique that I could bring to the table, and hopefully you find the same thing. So anyway, that's it. I'm Carl. I'm out. Have a good one.